Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. इस title से आपको पता लग गया होगा that this video is going to be one brand tutorial using all the Blue Heaven and products. So I recently did videos on Blue Heaven new makeup launches. तो मैंने दो पार्ट में ये वीडियोस बनाई थी. तो इस वीडियो में मैंने वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आपके साथ ट्राई आउट करके देख लिए हैं एंड मैंने ये बहुत ही सुपर ग्लोई सा डूई सा क्लीन मेकअप लुक या आप बोल सकते हो नो मेकअप लुक या लेस प्रोडक्ट्स मेकअप लुक यूज किया, मतलब आपके साथ क्रिएट किया एंड दैट्स हाउ माई स्किन लुक्स लाइक. इट जस्ट लुक्स सो हेल्थी. I mean, look at it. आपको इन डेप्थ रिव्यू चाहिए इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पे, मैंने पहले ही वीडियो बना रखा है, आप जाके देख सकते हो. इस वीडियो में मैं सिर्फ इसका ट्यूटोरियल यूज करके ट्यूटोरियल करूंगी. ऑफ कोर्स मेरे पास आई जो अंडर आई पाउडर और मस्कारा नहीं था एंड आई यूज्ड सम अदर ब्रांड जो मैंने इसमें नहीं दिखाया है. रेस्ट आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल द मेकअप विच आई हैव फ्रॉम दिस मेकअप लाइन एंड जितने भी उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट मतलब लॉन्च किए हैं. आई होप आपको ये मेकअप अच्छा लग रहा होगा एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड लेट्स सी हाउ आई क्रिएटेड दिस लुक. उससे पहले अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, लाइक कर देना वीडियो को, कमेंट कर देना एंड मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी आप फॉलो कर सकते हो बिकॉज आई पोस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम जो यहाँ पे नहीं करती. सो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
So the very first thing which I am using is this jelly butter from Blue Heaven. Now this has a very nice creamy texture and it just hydrates my lips so much. Then I'm using this mist and this mist is one of my favorites because it just not only sets the makeup but also works as a great hydrator and primer. So I really love it, plus it does not have a lot of fragrance. Now next again I really love this product. This is Skin Tint by Blue Heaven. Now it does not have a lot of coverage, it just gives you the perfect amount of dew, although it's not very dewy again, but it just feels like your skin doesn't feel heavy or irritates your skin. And yeah, it oxidizes very little, so you might pick one shade up and it looks like your face looks so natural after applying this. It doesn't feel heavy, cakey or whatsoever. So I think you will be able to use this in summers so well. Now I am just going to use this concealer pen. Now initially I didn't like it that much, but I feel that it works occasionally. It hides your puffy eyes. It does not hide your dark circles, but yes, it does give you a little bit of coverage which looks very natural. It does not crease that much as well, so that's why I'm okay with this right now. And plus it does not feel cakey, heavy or whatsoever. It brightens my under eye and the areas where I apply it to, so that's why I have started liking it, because earlier I did not like it that much because it's super duper lightweight, so it's very good for your everyday use and it is super blendable as well. Now then I'm going to use this contour stick. Now you know I really love this contour stick. Yes, it is very emollient, I agree, and if you are darker than me this might not suit you, but it is the perfect amount of contour for my skin tone. I am NC42 and it blends so easily. That's what I like about it. I don't like contour sticks which does not blend properly, but they just blend so nicely. Takes a little bit of time to blend, but then once you have blended it in, your face looks very like it's like your natural contour. It's not very harsh. Then I'm going to use this blush stick. This is in the shade I think Rose something, I'll mention the shade. So this is again a very nice pretty pink color, and the formula of these blushes are very emollient. Again, it has the perfect amount of pigmentation. Then going to use the duo stick and going to use the highlighter side, which is very natural. I love the way it looks on my skin. Now going to use this brow gel to set my eyebrows. Now I fill my eyebrows with powder, then I use the brow gel. So lastly I'm going to use this lip plumper, which again looks super good on me, I feel. So I'm going to set all of this with this Blue Heaven's makeup setting spray, and you see the amount of hydration it gives me. And this is how my face looks like, which is very, very natural. It doesn't seem that you have done a lot of makeup. It just gives you very nice hydration and a glow from within. So let me know how you guys like it. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, share, and thank you so much for 10k guys. I love you guys a lot. Please take care.
Alright guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. And tutorial मैं करती नहीं हूँ, but then थोड़ा बहुत review भी दे दिया है मैंने फिर से. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys want me to do any other video, कोई और product suggestion हो, make sure to leave it. I will be more than happy to try it out. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.